Welcome back to another video. Hi guys, I'm your host Bilal Nasir with another Shopify tutorial video. Shopify still hasn't updated the selected variant image issue, meaning if you are a Shopify store owner and if you are selling clothing product or if you are selling a product with color swatches and you have multiple images for that product, the product picture is gonna look completely scattered. Let me show you the example. So this is the product. It is with the default settings. You can see that we have all of the colors showing up. If I click on red, it just changes few of the pictures, but it still shows the remaining colors. And I selected the green. You can see that the pictures are completely scattered and we are still seeing all of the colors, right? What ideally you would need is to have them completely aligned like this one. So if I have selected the red color, only the red color images. And if I select green, orange, black, so you can see that it is going to show you the selected variant images. Whatever image you have selected, it is going to show only that specific images for your product page. And I'm going to show you guys a super easy way to implement that with Rubik Variant Images. Really cool app built with Shopify, which meets highest quality standard for speed, ease of use, and merchant value as well. So if you're wasting a lot of time doing code and adding the fix for all of the product, adding alt text, creating JavaScript, or you are a Shopify merchant and you don't have any coding knowledge, you can use this app to solve this problem. And let me show you how easy it is to solve that problem. So this is the product and that's how we want to make it look like, right? So I'm going to close this tab here and show you guys how we can do that for this product. So if I hit refresh, you can see it still shows all of the scattered images for all of the colors, right? Now, in order to implement this app, which is super simple to implement, I'm simply going to open the Rubik Variant Images. I already have it installed. If you want to install, link is in the description. So that is the app, and I am going to simply click on that product where I want to fix this problem. And I'm going to click on tops, dressy casual product. And here you can see we will assign the image for specific color. So if I want to assign for the red color, I'm going to select the red color image. And similarly, I'm going to do green, orange, and black. But I'm too lazy to do that. Why don't we use AI for that? So click on this auto assign button and it is going to automatically add all of the specific color images on its own using the power of AI. You don't have to lift the finger. Cool, right? So let's click on save. And now when I go to that image, when I go to that product, and click refresh, you can see that I'm now seeing the red color image for the red color swatch, similarly for the green, orange, black. So that's how easy it is to fix your selected variant images, specific variant image issue on your Shopify store. On top of this selected variant image issue, this app also offers really nice color swatches features where you can customize your color swatches to be the variant image, or if you want to add custom image swatch, or if you want to change the custom color of the swatch. Let me show you what are the features. So if we go to the app page, you can see this here. So if we want to customize the shape, and if we want to add the custom color, or if we want to display our variant image in swatch like this here, right? We can do that here. We have these different options. And let me show you how easy it is to do that. So I'm going to go to the app and then first I will enable the swatches on my theme. So if I click on this Swatch variant picker from app settings, Swatch variant picker, and open that in new window, it will show me an option to enable the color swatches. So currently it is disabled. I'm going to enable that. And after enabling, you can see that my swatches are enabled, right? And if you are not seeing it enabled, make sure you click on enable on theme editor, which will take you to the theme editor where it will show you that whether if it's activated or not. So here you can see it will show these two options which should be enabled, right? Okay, So once enabled, if I click on refresh on this product, now you can see that my default color swatches has been now changed with image color swatch. Now, if I want to change these images to my own custom images, I can do that from my this assign images page. So on this assign images, I'm going to click on more actions and then click on edit swatches. And here I can assign the custom swatch image for this variant, this variant, and this variant. So let's click on that and do that. I'm going to select the image which I want to be as my custom color swatch. Perfect. I have added my custom image swatch for all of my colors. Click on save. Let's go back to the product and hit refresh. And here you can see that we have this custom image swatch which we added for our product with the selected variant image feature as well. Now, what if you want to add just the plain colors, but the colors are not matching the dress code? So if you go to the default colors, the colors are not matching with the dress color. You can define the custom colors here as well. So if I go back to this image variant page, and first let's remove these images, click on save, and now try adding my custom red color. So I'm gonna double click that and select the color. This is just for the example purposes. I'm not gonna actually match the color code, but you can do that if you want. So I'm just going to select the color here. Perfect. Click on save. And now my color swatches will be these exact same color code which I've selected here. If I go back to my product page and hit refresh, you can now see that the color swatches are what I wanted to have them to look like with the exact same color code, right? And you can also change the size and the border radius and all that kind of stuff within the app settings. So if I go back to the Swatch variant picker and click on customize appearance, you can see that we have different options here. We can change it to rounded. Here we have the preview showing up of how it will look like. Here we can have the circle shape. Here we can change the size of the color swatches, the border width, right? So all of these changes which we can do within this app. So for the pills, we have these settings, right? So all of these cool settings with the Rubik variant images, not just for the variant image, it is for the swatch as well now. So that's it for the video, guys. I have tried to cover all of the features of the app, but if you think I have missed anything, let me know in the comments below. Would love to address all of that. And if you have any confusion, you can try out the support as well from this app. Just go to the app page. Here you will find the support. Click on get support, and the developer or the team in the Rubik variant images will contact you as soon as possible. That's it for the video, guys. Until next video, have a great day.